Hey, what's going on everybody? I hope you are all fine. Today I'm thinking of doing something cool, something nice. I'm thinking of doing a responsive navigation menu with HTML, CSS and a very simple functionality with vanilla JS. Okay, we are not dealing today with this time in this tutorial with React.js, which is my favorite framework. So we are going to do simple things. Okay. So before I begin, I would like to talk about the previous tutorial that I did, which was a contact form, a real project that it's not easy to find something like this in YouTube, and even if you find something like this, believe me guys, it's not functional or it has a lot of bugs. I checked all these projects. Okay. And I am disappointed from some guys. I don't know what they really want, guys. They want just to learn things or just copy paste. With copy paste, it is one thing, it's sure and undeniable, of course. You can learn. Just waste your time. Copy paste. Take it, put it. Take it, put it. No, guys. Listen to me carefully. As I told you, I'm going to make real projects that it's not easy to find in YouTube. Okay. For example, a contact form, a functional contact form. I made a contact form and some guys want it ready in a dish. Okay. Take and eat it. Personally, what I'm telling to you, it's a challenge for you. Just do it. Okay. If you do it, I know it's not easy to attend the 1.5 hour. It's difficult, okay. But from difficult things you became good. You master things and you think, okay, now I have the strength, I have the power to do stuff by myself. And you feel, in the end, believe me guys, in the end you feel proud for yourself. Do you know how many hours, no hours, days I spend, for example, in order to create a functional contact form? Okay, I'm not a guy that knows everything. Okay, I know only HTML, CSS, vanilla JS, React.js, and a couple of things of Node.js. I'm still learning like you. Okay. But I'm trying to learn things that and doing things that make sense. You can't know everything, guys. Keep it in mind. I was angry with myself that if you know it, if you don't know it, you are not good. If you don't know this, you are not good. No, guys. You can't know everything. So, let's get started. And something that I would like to tell you, try to implement things without copy paste. I understand that sometimes you make things and you have errors. Just try, do it from the beginning. You are going to spend time, but you don't have options, guys. If you want to learn, you have to follow these tutorials and whatever tutorials, okay. Without sweat in your ass, you can't learn things. Okay, you have to be tired. You have to spend hours, countless hours, in order to learn things. Let's implement it and let's stop. And I don't understand guys who say if you are not upload the files, I'm not going to subscribe. You know something? Don't subscribe. I don't care. I uploaded tutorials And the only thing that you have to do is to follow the instructions to the tutorial in order to implement it. Okay, I'm trying to teach you something else, to show you something else. Do it from scratch. And in the end, if you will not understand everything, something you will understand. It's sure. And the most important thing, you will feel proud and happy for yourself because you did something by your own. Let's get started. I'm gonna show you now what we are gonna create. Let's see, where is it? Okay, we spent 6 hours talking. Oh, damn it. But it's not bad. Sometimes talking is very beneficial. Where is number? Cool. I'm gonna show you now what we are gonna create. We are gonna create, guys. Ding, ding, ding. We are gonna create this navigation bar. Okay, this is a couple of words. This navigation bar. Look here. Look the beautiful transition. Okay. With just HTML, CSS, and a couple of things of vanilla JS. Okay, and the good news, look, it's full responsive. Look here now, look. Look, if you are going to scroll, it's sticky, guys, and here we put it fixed in order to cover all the entire page. Close. And here I'm going to make a transition for these bars. I didn't do, and we are gonna do it now. Okay, let's get started. Close it now. Let's create. Oh, I have to organize a little all this. Create a folder with a name of navigation. Why not navigation? Cool. Now I'm gonna take, where is HTML demo, navbar. I'm just going to take only the image. Okay, you can put your own logo if you want. Okay, I'm just going to copy this. Paste it inside the navigation. We have a folder images, and finally there you go. Cool. You can download your own PNG logo. I suppose that you know it. Now let's go put it here in your text editor. Right, I'm gonna, okay, now we got the images. Let's create 3 files. The first will be index.html. Cool. The next one will be index.css, and finally the last one, let's index.js. Cool. Now the rest of this enter, and we got it. Why don't name it navigation. Cool. Beautiful. What else? Okay, why don't we put here the file link.index.css file. Okay, let's write comment css file, cool, with one L, don't remember, let's put it. And here of course we need the GS file, cool, script for inserting the JavaScript file dot index.js, cool. Let's open it with live server. Okay, minimize. Next thing. Okay, now let's implement our tutorials. First of all, let's write nav. Inside we need a div with, let's write logo btn. This div is gonna include the logo, okay, and also the btn functionality. Inside let's put an image, which we have here, images equal what happened, eagle dot png eagle, right. Oh, very huge, very huge. Okay, let's leave it now. Then we want the btn, what I'm doing, btn div dot btn. Okay, then let's create div dot bar 1, cool, 3 bars. You could also make it take it ready from your font awesome. I like it, make it from scratch. Okay, it's a way to learn things, cool. Don't try the easy way, guys. If you try and make things with a hard way, you will become very, very good. Okay, btn, here the logo. Let's create now the links. ul.links, cool. We want a lie. What we want here? Let's put home. Okay. Paste. Let's put here about, beautiful, projects, yeah, and finally contact. We got it. I don't like this full image. Let's go now to let's go. What I was thinking now, guys, maybe it was better idea to create the navigation in Photoshop, but it's just a navigation, and then show you all the procedure. Maybe another time I'm gonna do something like this. Okay, let's go to work now. Index.js. Okay, let's see where we are. Logo btn img. Let's write here logo, a class with logo. Okay, logo, cool. Let's write we are gonna disable the default ability, so the asterisk. We don't want the default margin, just put it 0. No, the default padding, again 0. We don't want the padding to grow outside, so box sizing, border box, and you are cool now. Let's go to where? Dot logo. Okay, let's put a width, a specific width of let's say 80 pixels. Okay, it's not bad. Nice, nice. We got it. Now, let's create our functionality. The background will be Dodger blue. Cool. Nice. Some other things. Let's make the... I'm not gonna make the position sticky now, but later. Okay. Let's leave this step. Logo btn. Before going to logo, let's create the bar, or logo, just make border, cool, bottom, solid, white, why not? Let's put white. Right, next step. Padding 10 pixels. Display flex. Just like content space. Something is wrong. I believe it. Something is not right. Yeah, of course. Sorry guys about this. And I was thinking why it went. We got the logo btn, just we don't want the another list to be inside the logo btn, so just cut mistakes. What can we do? And put it above the nav here. And now we are ready. Sometimes you make mistakes, okay? Let's now go and create the bars. Dot bar 1, dot bar 2, cool, dot bar 3. We need a width of 35 pixels. It's not bad. Let's put a margin of 5 pixels. Background white, not bad, cool. And look, now we are going to see it. Let's put 2 pixels, and boom, here. Right. Let's make a transition of all 0.5 second is in out, right? very cool. Next step, let's go now and create a border for this dot btn. Cool. Border, let's put 1 pixel solid white, no width, white. Okay, now let's put these elements in the center. How we are gonna implement it? Align self, center, and boom, in the center. Right. Also, let's put a cursor here. Cursor, pointer. Yeah, nice. Like it. Okay, now let's go to links. Dot links. Cool. List style. Let's put none. Okay. You know, guys, just leave the links. I don't want to confuse you. Let's go to dot link. Let's go to ul li. Ul is the same as links. You can just put links if you want, but just follow the tutorial. Ul li a display block. Cool. Text decoration, none. Let's put a font size of 18 pixels. Okay, that seems better. Color, when we put FFF, it's black, white, right. We need a transition of all 0.5 second is in out, not bad. Let's put a padding of 10 pixels, pretty nice, like it. Copy, don't need all this. Let's put a padding of 10 pixel, 25 pixel in order to see this beautiful, oh, I can see it because I haven't put a hover, right, this beautiful transition. Okay, like it. Now let's put a background also, a background, let's say RGB. Cool. 597 and 189. Okay, like it, not bad. Now, why don't we put why don't we create go here to let's see, dot links, let's create it now. Background, cool. Dodger blue, cool. Position, let's make it fixed because we want to cover the entire page. Fixed. Cool. Okay. We want a width of 70%. Cool. Now let's put the top of 67 pixel. Always I'm confused with this button here. Top 67 pixel. Let's I don't top 0 67 pixel. Let's put 17. Not bad. Cool. Choose bottom of 0. Okay, now we cover the entire page. Margin left minus. Okay, now we want to see it, so just comment it. We need to create a class for our button functionality. So dot show links margin left, we want 0. Okay, when we press the button letter in our JavaScript, okay, now it's we can see, but when we create the button, the margin is gonna go to 0. We are gonna see the default. We are gonna see this, something like this, when it goes to 0. Okay, but now we don't want to see, but just comment it. We are not there yet. So dot links, why don't we create some words here? Div lorem, right? And why don't we put just go here, for example, let's put a height, okay, in order to see the functionality of fixed and sticky navigation. Let's put 20 pixels. Cool. No 20 pixels, VH. Okay, now you see how ugly it is. Okay, how to make it functional? This is fixed, right? And it's staying. Let's see where are now. Okay, this is fixed. The navigation is fixed here, the UL, the links. But if we press the button, or if we don't press the button, we see this functionality. We want this to stay here with this. How can we do it? Let's go to nav. Where is nav? And just put position sticky. We want to be top 0, and let's see what happened. And boom, we got it now. Look, it's in the same direction. I like it. Okay, let's continue. Let's go now and create media screen and damn it. mean width, let's say 64 pixels of course. Right. I'm gonna make here. Right. We don't want to see the .btn, so display none. Cool. When we are here, look, we don't want to see. We can see the btn. Before going there, let's create a functionality, guys. Right, let's go to JavaScript. Just leave it the responsive. Let's write responsive. Okay, let's create a functionality. Let's assign here btn, btn, assign a variable with document dot query selector. This is a way to assign. When we assign class, you just put the dot. If you assign ID, you just put this, the hashtag. Okay, so btn, and let's see in index.css. Where is the btn? Yeah, here is the btn. Okay, we want this functionality. It's a class, so we have a btn, so just put btn. Cool. Right? What else we want? We want the UL. Where is the UL? We want this, the UL, the links. We want the links. Copy this. Go to copy. Or, copy this. Right. Go here again. Write it or copy it. We want the links. Right? And here I forgot this. Cool. Now, in order to create the functionality here, let's go and put btn.addEventListener and we want a click. When we click, something to happen. Okay, create a function, call anonymous function, with curly brackets. Also, if you want, you can do it more easily. Right, just put here, if you want, you can do fat arrow function, which is a better way. And what we want now? We want them here. We don't know btns. We want links. Cool. Links dot class list dot toggle. It means that when we push something, it changes the state. Toggle. What we want to toggle? When we press this, we want something to happen. We want to toggle the new functionality that we created, the show links, this. Okay. And comment this now, and boom, 0. We want to toggle the show links. Copy this, or just write it. Control copy. Put it here now. Cool. Right. And look. And nothing happens. Very interesting. Let's see the console. BNT. Look, what did I do? btn, no BNT. btn. Mistakes. Look, we toggled it now. We can see it now. Okay. Let's see why we don't see the good cool transition. The reason is we have to put here a transition all 0.5 sec is in out. Cool. Look how beautiful it is now. Okay, we did it. You did it. No, now we are here. Why don't we create this? Dot link, where is the btn? Okay, also just do btn. We want the let's see, what did I do? Let's create a new class like the class that we created here, that something like this. It does not exist, we create it and we use it. So dot new bar, and let's say bar dot bar 1 dot bar 1. Cool. We want a transform rotate 45 deg. Also we need a translate 6 pixel 8 pixels. Cool. Just copy it, control copy. Here we just need an opacity of 0, and of course put a bar 2 here, bar 3. Let's change some things here, minus and minus. Cool. Go here in JavaScript, just copy this, copy, control copy. Or we need a new bar. Go here, btn dot class list dot toggle. We want to toggle. We want to toggle this, the new bar. Cool. Cool. Beautiful. Let's see. Can you see it now? A cool transition. Right. Of course you can put a color from this. You can put a red color. What can you do? Let's see. Let's put a background. Let's put a red, for example. Okay. Copy this and put it here. Right. Let's see now what happened. You can see a red background. It's ugly. I'm gonna put. It doesn't fit with this color, with Dodger blue. Right, let's delete it. Leave it as it is. Okay, let's go to responsive now. Cool. Right, go here. Next step, guys. So let's minimize it for a while. Cool. Cool. I'm gonna leave it here. Next step. Dot logo btn. Cool. Border bottom none. Cool. Padding, let's put a 0 padding now. Okay, right. Go to nav now. Cool. We want a display you know something, we can display it because yeah, there's the functionality here. This is the reason. So just follow the instruction. Display what happened here? Now display. Before going to nav, I want it to appear. So let's go dot links. Cool. Position relative. Nice. Top. Let's put auto. It's very important, these stuffs, guys. Believe me, just write that I'm right. Top auto, bottom. Auto. Cool. Width. Auto. Cool. And the margin left auto. Look here, we can see it. Also the dot show links, margin left auto. Cool. Now go here and press nav display flex. We want it to see here. Cool. Why don't we put also here a display of flex? Cool. And here we are. Look. Super easy. What else? Let's put a padding here. Padding of 10 pixels. Here we are. Let's see. Now it's cool. I like it. Align items. Let's put all in the center. And everything is in the center, but we have to disable some functionalities here. Look, nasty. Nasty. Cool. Go here. Go ULLIA. Cool. Display block. Right. We want a padding of 10 pixels. Let's see, don't want this. In order to disable this, copy, copy, LIA, hover. Let's see. Okay, we got 10 pixels. Cool. Position relative. put the index of 10, right, margin, you know, okay, let's make it width, don't do anything, let's see. Let's put ul li a after width let's see, what did I do here? Well, go here, guys. I forgot to put something, I think. Let's see. LIA. Okay. Why don't we put here a class btn1? Cool. Right, just copy it and here we are. Go here now. I have there. Just don't put it, just put content, right, cool. We want a height of 100%, cool. A position of absolute, right. Top, let's put 50%, left 50%, transform, translate -50, and let's put a background of RGB 597 and this, and nothing happened. Very interesting. Background. Transition all 0.5 second is in out, yeah. put a width of 100 pixels, right? Let's put a text align, center, right, margin. Okay, it's in the center now. Let's see. Import .btn 1 after, cool. Width 0, cool. Height 100%. UL LI A hover after width, put it 90%. Oh, and here we are, something's happening here. Right, we are gonna fix it. Border right, oh no, radius right. Let's put 1 pixel solid, white. We want left. Ooh. Also, we need here to put a z index of -1, and look guys. Okay, now we have to disable the background of a hover. Look back, there's the background. How can we do this? Or you can, it's not bad. If you want, you can leave it as it is. Look, it's not bad. Or you know, you can do different kinds of combination. For example, you will like hover, where is it? You like hover. Let's put a background. You can just leave it. Put it transparent. Look, we got it. We got it. Cool. Or you can make experiments. For example, let's just put the background. Why don't we put, let's put a background of what background? Let's put a gray. What is gonna happen? Oh, not bad. You can do many combinations. Not bad. Look, like it, I like it. close it. Transparent, or none, nothing, and just this. Okay, something else that you could do is just put the height 0, the width 100%, and just playing here with the height. Cool. Let's see what happened. Oh, cool. Like it. Like it. Very, very nice. Very cool. Not bad. Look, look. Very cool. I'm gonna leave the... I like this functionality. Okay. What did I do here? Okay, let's leave it here. This, I like this better. This, I believe it's better. More cool. Okay guys, this was our tutorial. I hope you like it. Let's see the response. Okay, cool. I did the same functionality as this transition here, but it was nasty, and for this reason I left this simple functionality here. Okay guys, it took a long 57 minutes. Okay, we spoke, we make a lot of things, and for this reason it took us almost 1 hour. Okay, I'm gonna stop it right now. I hope you like it. If you like it, you know what to do. Subscribe and push the button, and of course I would like to see some comments of you guys, whatever. Okay, that was. Have a nice day guys.